Good afternoon, students. Let's begin with the lesson. Lesson number 2, Europe and India. Last class we have studied period of Renaissance. The period 13th to 16th century is known as the period of Renaissance, and because of various geographical discoveries, religious reform movement, it is also known as Age of Renaissance. Leonardo da Vinci, we have studied that he was all-rounder personality because he was mastered in various subjects, but he was renowned famous for his paintings. So let's continue. The reform movement spread throughout all sectors of humans. Through knowledge, science, as well as different sections of art, we can observe the discoveries of reform movement. Literature was produced in local languages for better understanding to the common people. During 1450 AD, Johannes Gutenberg from Germany discovered new ideas. Concepts and knowledge reached in all sections of society. Religious reform movement. The Christian priests were taking advantages of the ignorance of the people. They looted the people in the name of religion. The movement that began against it is known as religious reform movement. Due to this movement, human freedom and rationalism gained more importance. Geographical discoveries. In 1453 AD, the Ottoman Turk conquered Constantinople, that is Istanbul, which was the capital of Byzantine Empire. The overland trade routes joining Asia and Europe went through this city. Since the Turks blocked this route, there was a need of finding alternative trade routes. For the European countries to reach Asia, this led to a new phase of geographical discoveries. Intellectual revolution in Europe. Due to the changes during the Renaissance, Europe proceeded from medieval to the modern age. Intellectual revolution took place in the same period. The society started stepping out of the past ignorance and blind faith. The pre-established customs and tradition came to be seen from a critical point of view. All these changes are addressed as intellectual revolution, which gave further momentum to scientific discoveries in Europe. Revolution in political sphere. In the early stage of beginning of modern period in Europe, many political changes took place. Due to the various revolutionary events during 18th as well as 19th century, this period is known as Age of Revolution. During this period, there was development of parliamentary democracy in England. American War of Independence. With the background of revolutionary development in Europe, it is equally important to think about the American War of Independence. The imperialist European countries took control of different regions of America and established their colonies. England established 13 colonies on the east coast of America. The people in America revolted against it. England declared war to suppress these colonies. American colonies organized the army under the leadership of George Washington and finally won against England. This event is known as American War of Independence. A new nation known as United States of America with a federal government. Written constitution and based on principles of democracy was born. French Revolution. In 1789 AD, the people of France revolted against the uncontrolled and unjust monarchy and feudalism and established a republic. This event is also known as French Revolution. The French Revolution gave to the world the three values of liberty, equality and fraternity. So students, here we will stop and will continue the topic day after tomorrow. Thank you.